Hey guys, and welcome back to another lesson in tips and tricks on succeeding through your first year in law school. I read another article, surprise, but this one kind of ties in with the last one. The last one, you can check it here. This is just for making a rule statement and how it's used and why. But I found another article that talks about how cases are used when the judges when they're forming their opinions, or lawyers when they're making their arguments, how they cite cases, different manners of using those cases, and how it ties it in. And these articles are really good because it also gives examples of how it's being used. So stay tuned. Here's that article I was talking about in the using the cases in legal analysis. Now, it kind of breaks it down on reasons why you would use it, such as common law analysis, where it's pretty much the rule of law that's going to determine the outcome of the case. But you can also use it for interpreting statutes, showing trends, innovative interpretative methods, and interpreting the standards of review. These are all ways, judges, when they're doing their opinions, or lawyers, while they're making their arguments, they use these cases to kind of show their points. And of course, the plaintiff and the defendant, they're going to use different cases to kind of stress different points, but this is how they use them. And here it kind of gives you a guide for how you choose your case and using the case. But what I really like about this article is it shows you how, it gives good examples of it. Shows you how synthesizing a rule, and it gives you a good example here. It shows you how it cites the different, past case law where they've gotten their information. Pretty much for every little statement they make in declaration, they have a case ruling and information from there to back it up. And as you can see, these are sometimes coming from different cases. And you can use it for comparison as well. But this is definitely a good read. I went through it, made some highlights, but they are gone now because I reopened it. But I will read this again because it is a very good tool. And I guess I should give you a look at the title. It's the Using Cases in Legal Analysis by Alice. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But yes, go check it out, you guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Some more good information for you. And kind of have a feeling that research and writing is going to be my favorite class because it shows you all the steps and processes. But stay tuned for more and comment below if you'd like to see exactly how I brief my cases. Because, I don't know, I think case briefing is something every student should do so that they can kind of learn the rule of law themselves. But if you'd like to see examples, because I know I talk about it a lot, then I'll be happy to share that with you. Until next time, you guys study hard.